Packing cubes from premium brands have been overcharging you 3, 4, even 5 times more for gear that performs no better than sets you can grab for under 25 bucks. And the people who actually know this, the long-haul backpackers, the carry-on-only obsessives, the travelers who've been living out of a single bag for years, they've been quietly buying the budget versions and laughing all the way to the airport. Here's what most people miss. The packing cube market is dominated by premium brands like Eagle Creek and Away Travel that slap a logo on the same polyester fabric, add a branded zipper, and triple the price. The testing backs this up. Budget cubes priced between $15 and $25 hold up just as well as premium options in head-to-head comparisons. The real difference isn't the cube, it's knowing which cheap cube to buy. And that's exactly what this video is about. We're counting down 7 budget packing cubes that most travelers scroll right past, and every single one of them is a gold mine hiding in plain sight. One set near the top of this list has been dominating Amazon's travel category since 2017, and the number 1 pick, the one that shocked me most, costs less than 2 airport coffees and has been quietly winning over hardcore travelers for years. You do not want to miss that one. Hit that subscribe button, because every week we post videos that tear apart the marketing, test the claims, and tell you exactly which budget gear is worth your money and which belongs in a landfill. Here are 7 cheap packing cubes that will transform how you travel, ranked from surprisingly solid to absolutely unbeatable. Number 7. Amazon Essentials, the bare-bones baseline that exposes the whole markup. This is where we start, because this is the set that proves the fundamental thesis. Amazon Essentials packing cubes have been spotted on sale for as low as $5.47 for a 4-piece set. $5 for 4 cubes. That alone should make you question every $40 single cube you've ever looked at from brands like Eagle Creek or Peak Design. The material is decently sturdy polyester that holds its shape when stuffed with clothes, and the size range covers you from small at 11 inches long all the way up to large at 18 inches. The real-world testing confirms it. These cubes do what cubes are supposed to do. They separate your clothes, they stack neatly in a carry-on, and they zip shut without drama. After 6 months of daily testing, reviewers documented rips and fraying. The fabric is thinner than everything else on this list, and the zippers aren't winning any durability awards. If you travel 2 or 3 times a year, these will serve you fine for a solid stretch. If you're a road warrior living out of a suitcase 5 days a week, move up the list. But the numbers don't lie. At that price point, you could replace these every single year for a decade and still spend less than 1 premium set. Here's how to actually use it. Grab the 4-piece set, assign 1 cube per clothing category, shirts, bottoms, undergarments, and miscellaneous, and treat them as disposable organizers you rotate out when they show wear. Think of it like a budget capsule wardrobe system for your suitcase. The reason everyone ignores these is simple. They see the Amazon name and assume generic junk. But for the occasional traveler who just wants order inside a suitcase, this set has been quietly solving that problem for years. And you've probably already got an Amazon order shipping to your door this week anyway, so adding these costs you nothing but a click. Number 6. Begale 8 Set. The quiet overperformer with the pretty face. Begale sits at around $25 for an 8-piece set, which gives you essentially all the organization you could need for a short trip or a long journey. But here's what separates Begale from the throwaway tier. The fabric is noticeably thicker than Amazon Essentials, a few centimeters deeper per cube, with quality construction that reviewers consistently call out. Fine mesh panels, solid taping along the seams, and zipper pulls that actually feel like they were designed by someone who's opened a suitcase before. Begale carries a 4.7 out of 5-star rating across more than 21,000 reviews. 21,000 people weighed in, and the consensus landed just a hair below perfect. Every reviewer who's tested them head-to-head confirms it. Definitely better quality than Amazon Basics. And then there's the color and pattern selection. Polka dots, teal, purple, pink, prints that actually look intentional. This matters more than the gear community admits, because when 4 family members each claim a different color, unpacking at a vacation rental takes minutes instead of an excavation project. Marie Kondo would approve. Here's how to actually use it. Assign each family member a color, essentially a bundle packing method by person rather than by category. Shirts in one cube, pants in another, undergarments in the small one. When you arrive, each person grabs their color and drops the whole cube in a drawer. Done. The reason Begale gets overlooked is that it doesn't have a flashy origin story or a crowdfunding campaign behind it. It just quietly delivers thick fabric, good zippers, and a pattern selection that makes organization visual and instant. If you're packing for a family trip right now and dreading the chaos, this is the set that fixes it overnight. Number 5. Vekin 8-piece set. The waterproof workhorse hiding at $18. At $17.99, the Vekin set hands you 8 pieces, 4 different cube sizes plus specialized bags for shoes, toiletries, and laundry, and the whole package costs less than a mediocre airport sandwich. But the real story is what these are made of. Vekin constructs their cubes from 290D nylon fabric, which is measurably thicker than competing products at this price point. That D number, denier, tells you the thread density. Higher denier means tougher fabric, and 290D puts Vekin above most budget competitors on raw material quality, and within striking distance of Cordura-grade durability standards used in premium gear. On top of that, they're waterproof. Not water-resistant, not splash-proof, waterproof. So when your toiletry bag leaks at 30,000 feet, your clothes stay dry. That's also worth noting when you're thinking about TSA and airport security checkpoints. A waterproof toiletry bag that meets the 311 rule and actually contains leaks is genuinely useful, not just a marketing bullet point. The customer verdict sits at 4.7 stars across more than 10,000 reviews, and the 2-way metal zippers glide without catching, which sounds like a small thing until you fought a stuck zipper at 6 in the morning in a hostel. The testing backs this up. That nylon construction handles the demands of travel, baggage handlers, overhead bins, hostel floors, without the wear and tear you see on cheaper polyester sets. Here's how to actually use it. Use the shoe bag and laundry bag from day one. The laundry bag is the most underrated item you can add to your luggage, keeping dirty clothes separated so your clean items stay fresh through the entire trip. Vekin gets ignored because people see 8 pieces for $18 and assume something has to be garbage. Nothing is garbage here. If you've got a trip coming up and you're still shoving loose clothes into your suitcase like it's a hamper, this set is sitting right there, waiting for you. Number 4. Olar Hike 10-piece set. The compression king made from recycled materials. If you're starting to see the pattern, if you're realizing that the travel gear industry has been overcharging you for years, while budget sets quietly deliver the same performance, do me a favor and hit that like button. It helps this reach people who are done paying premium prices for commodity fabric. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you belong here. Olar Hike gives you 10 pieces for around $28 to $30, and the headline feature is compression. These cubes save up to 50% more space compared to traditional packing cubes. That's not marketing language. That's the difference between fitting everything in a carry-on and paying a checked bag fee. The set comes in 6 different cube sizes, plus a hanging toiletry bag, a shoe bag, and a laundry bag. And the whole thing is crafted from high-density, tear-resistant polyester. Here's what quietly makes this one special. Olar Hike cubes are made from at least 50% post-consumer recycled PET materials, essentially plastic bottles converted into fabric. In a market that's just now starting to care about sustainability, this brand has already been doing it, and doing it at a level that approaches GRS certified recycled content standards. Over 10,000 shoppers purchased Olar Hike sets in the past month alone, and the reviews consistently call out the same thing: sleek look, real compression, and a fit that works for business trips where everything needs its place. Every pro who's tested these knows it. Compression cubes show space savings of 15 to 30% on regular clothes, and when you're packing soft items like sweaters and t-shirts, that number climbs even higher. Here's how to actually use it. Pack your bulkiest items, jeans, jackets, hoodies, into the compression cubes first using a basic bundle packing method, layering larger items around smaller ones before compressing. Zip the initial zipper to contain, then pull the compression zipper to squeeze out the dead air. You'll watch your pile shrink in real time. Olar Hike gets overlooked because the name doesn't ring bells like the legacy brands. But 10 pieces, compression technology, and post-consumer recycled materials for under $30 is a combination that nobody at the premium end, not Eagle Creek, not Away, not Peak Design, can touch at this price. If you're a backpacker trying to fit a week into a 30 to 40-liter pack, this is probably already in your cart. Number 3. Gonex Compression Cubes, the ripstop sleeper that packs flat and lasts for years. Gonex comes in under $50 for a 6-piece set, and before you say that's not cheap, consider what you're getting. Ripstop nylon fabric, the same material used in parachutes and military gear, designed specifically so that if a tear starts, it stops at the next thread intersection instead of ripping across the whole panel. That's a fundamentally different approach to durability than just using thicker polyester, and it's the same logic that Cordura-based fabrics use in premium luggage. The design is unique. Gonex cubes have a flatter, laptop bag-style format that slides into a carry-on like a file folder instead of a bulky brick. They open all the way flat, giving you full access to your clothes without digging, and the specialized compression zippers reduce each bag's height by nearly an inch. That inch matters. Multiply it across 6 cubes, and you've just reclaimed enough vertical space in your suitcase to fit an extra pair of shoes or a rolled jacket. The zipper quality, material quality, and stitching quality are all built for years of use, and the mesh construction keeps everything breathable so your clothes don't develop that sealed bag smell after 3 days on the road. The testing backs this up. The open flat design combined with compression makes these functionally superior to cubes that only unzip from one end. Here's how to actually use it. Lay the cube flat on a bed. Stack your folded clothes inside using a modified capsule wardrobe approach where every item can mix and match. Zip the main zipper, then pull the compression zipper to cinch everything tight. The flat profile means you can stack cubes vertically in a suitcase like books on a shelf. Gonex gets ignored because it doesn't come in a 10-piece mega bundle with a shoe bag and a toiletry pouch. It's just 6 impeccably made cubes that do the core job better than almost anything at this price. If you're the type who packs a 19-inch carry-on and refuses to check a bag, these were designed for exactly how you travel. Number 2. Shack Pack 5 Set, the crowd-funded cult favorite that's been winning since 2017. Shack-a-Pack has topped Amazon's travel category since 2017. Not for a month, not for a season, for years. This started as a crowd-funded product built by travelers who were frustrated with what was on the market, and it turned into the best-selling packing cube set on the largest retail platform on the planet. That track record alone tells you something the marketing from bigger brands like Eagle Creek and Away Travel never will. The 5-piece set runs about $25.99 and includes 4 cubes plus a drawstring laundry bag, all sewn from 600D nylon, 600 denier. That's roughly double the thread density of most budget competitors and puts this fabric in the same weight class as serious travel gear, and honestly, closer to Cordura territory than most people realize. The zippers are YKK, which is the gold standard in the zipper world, the brand that premium luggage companies pay extra to use. Shack-a-Pack gives you YKK at the budget price point. The extra large cube in this set was the biggest packing cube of any tested, 26 folded t-shirts fit inside it. 26. And the patented X design with double stitching creates a reinforced lid that holds clothes in place and prevents that annoying fabric folding that happens when you open a tightly packed cube. Every detail in the testing confirms it. 4-inch deep design, rugged construction that survives baggage handlers and hostile floors, and a laundry bag that separates dirty clothes from clean without you thinking twice about it. Here's how to actually use it. Use the extra large cube for your main clothing, the medium for pants or shorts, the small for undergarments, and the slim for accessories or workout gear. Toss the laundry bag in empty and fill it as the trip goes on. Shack Pack gets overlooked because travelers assume a crowd-funded product from 2017 must have been surpassed by now. It hasn't. If you've been buying whatever cube pops up first in your search results, you've been walking past the one that 600 denier nylon and YKK zippers built to outlast them all. Number 1. IKEA Forfina. The under $10 set that has been embarrassing premium brands for years. This is the one. The set that hardcore travelers kept telling reviewers to check out. The set that Pack Hacker said they received message after message about. The IKEA Forfina packing cubes, a pack of 6, for less than $10. That's less than 2 semi-fancy coffee drinks at an airport cafe. And this set has been quietly proving that the emperor of premium packing cubes, and that includes Eagle Creek, Away, and Peak Design, has no clothes. For the first 3 years of my travels, one long-term traveler said, "I used the same set I bought for less than $20 from IKEA, and they are still intact to this day." 3 years. Constant use. Under $20. The exterior is 100% polyester, lightweight and functional. In the 6-piece set, 3 cubes have mesh tops so you can see exactly what's packed inside. Something Marie Kondo's KonMari method would recognize as immediately practical, while the other 3 are solid, giving you a nice variety depending on what you're organizing. The TSA-friendly sizing means these slide through airport security checkpoint trays without any drama, and the mesh top cubes let agents see what's inside without unpacking everything. Every traveler who's used these long-term confirms it. They wear well, they handle small items with ease, and they do the fundamental job of packing cubes, creating order inside chaos without charging you a premium for the privilege. The zippers are unbranded, and if you're checking bags and subjecting these to heavy daily compression, the zippers are the first thing that will show fatigue. But at this price, replacing them annually still costs less than 1 premium cube. Here's how to actually use it. Grab 2 6-packs. Use the mesh top cubes for items you need to identify quickly: socks, underwear, chargers, and the solid cubes for everything else. At under $10 a set, you can have a dedicated set for every suitcase in your house. IKEA Forfina gets overlooked because people don't think of a furniture store when they think travel gear. That's exactly why it stays cheap. There's no travel industry markup, no influencer tax, no adventure brand premium. Just 6 cubes under $10 that have been embarrassing the entire packing cube industry for years, and they're probably sitting in an IKEA 15 minutes from your house right now. If you made it all the way to the end, you've just learned something most people never will. The packing cube industry sells you on brand names and premium fabrics, while budget sets deliver the same organization, the same compression, and the same durability for a fraction of the cost. Smash that like button if this changed how you think about packing cubes. Drop a comment and tell me which one surprised you most. Team Shack Pack? Team IKEA Forfina? Team Olerhike? I read every comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss a video. I'd love to have you on this journey with us. Remember, sometimes the best travel gear isn't behind a premium price tag at a specialty shop. Sometimes it's on a shelf at IKEA or buried on page 2 of your search results, waiting for you to grab it.